Welcome to the ESSENCE Annotations overview video. This video explains some of the use cases for which we designed this capability and that are enabled by this tagging capability. And it also explains how you can collaborate with other users. The first use case I'll cover is to mention the capability to associate records with no apparent similarity. For example, if you have information out of band from the system, laboratory results that haven't been integrated, something you've gotten over the phone, or there's a news report or some other out of band reporting that isn't reflected in the information system. You can do effectively a manual data fusion and association of these records by finding the appropriate records and applying the tags to them. This, of course, could be used for direct record retrieval, but it also can be used for workflows like machine learning, where you would wish to export all of the related records and then to attempt to find the relationships between them. Another use of this tagging capability is a progressive query or syndrome definition iteration process. So if I have two queries that I'm comparing, if I have Victor1 or Victor2, or I have two related queries and I want to understand which records are being caught by one versus which records are being caught by another, I can use a tagging capability to iterate through the records, say, these are good records I've seen, these are bad records that I'm seeing. You can also track the stats in any means manner that you wish, because the tagging capability allows you to create, choose tags, and remove tags as you please. There's no specific order that you have to create or remove tags in. So as you work through a syndrome definition process, this may be a capability that you can take advantage of. As with other Essence features, this capability also provides the means for controlled collaboration. When you create a tag, by default, you are the only administrator, editor, and viewer, meaning you are the only person that can delete the tag, modify the metadata. You are the only person that can apply the tag to a record or remove the tag from the record. And of course, to query for the tag and to view the tag whenever it appears in your data details. Whenever you choose to make this available to other users, if you choose to make this available to other users, you have the capability to add the viewer and you can select from all the users that are active in the system at the time, add them, and now your user list has been updated. So now these users can use the query capabilities to use the fast single select, which allows you to select one, or the multiple select, which allows you to select as many tags to query as you like. And as you can see within these query screens, the tags can be created by any user in the system. There's no permissions gating on that. But because the tags by default are hidden from other users, there's the capability to create a tag that has the same name, for example, as another tag. And when that happens, you would need to have some way to disambiguate the two of them. Fortunately, throughout the GUI, we have added fields like tag ID, the tag name, the comments, who created the tag, and the creation date, which will allow you to disambiguate when you have a large system with many users, many of whom are likely working on similar things in their own jurisdictions with the data that they particularly have access to. Finally, I'll mention that in addition to the capability of manually granting to users that have interest or you'd like to publish records tags to them, there's also the capability to advertise your tags to anyone on the Essence server. This is called the discoverable capability, indicated by the magnifying glass here, and which is enabled by this make discoverable button. And when you make a tag discoverable, you can navigate over to the tag discovery screen next to the tag management screen. and view all the tags that have been made discoverable. And when you click to view the administrators, these are the people that you can contact via their email addresses to discuss your respective efforts, determine whether it makes sense to collaborate, share data, any manner of interaction you wish. It's up to you. All this capability provides is the means to have the tags appear on this global list. And of course, at any time, you can withdraw the privileges that you have granted to individuals. So for example, if I wish to remove discoverability tag, you can withdraw all of those privileges as you like, or even transfer them if roles change. To learn more about how to use this capability, the mechanics of it, the videos ESSENCE Annotations How to Tag and ESSENCE Annotations How to Manage Your Tags are available in addition to the online help.